Hello dear, now we are going to test machine working size. Firstly, let's see. This is X width, this is Y length, this is Y is this Y. This side, let's see. This now it's this from here to here is 2 meter. It's traveling for 2 meters already. There is there is space between two head, and this head position is 3 meters from here to there. It working 3 meters is no problem. Engineer show you this is now its position is 3 meters. It's no problem for your working size.